A major North American-based candy manufacturer was experiencing numerous problems with their critical mixing equipment since installation. They were experiencing shaft failure on a recurring basis, leading to damage. The equipment had already failed 3 times over an 18-month period, causing 12 hours of downtime with every failure. Downtime cost approximately $18,000 per hour, or $216,000 per breakdown. The manufacturer reached out to several companies for help, but none could provide a lasting solution. Then, the company called in the Regal Perceptiv Diagnostics Services team for assistance. The Perceptiv Services team performed microscopic examinations of the shaft and a chemical analysis of the steel, which revealed a fracture caused by torsional fatigue. To determine the source of the fatigue, the team performed a motor current signature analysis, vibration analysis, and infrared thermography. The tests revealed several problems contributing to poor mixer performance: movement in the mounting base, torsional resonance, and inadequate process monitoring. High vibrations were preventing the mixer drivetrain from reaching the as-designed speed and throughput values. The Perceptiv team developed a plan to mitigate the issues, including changes to the shaft to eliminate stress points, reorienting the arrangement of the mixing paddles, better equipment anchoring, and improved monitoring practices. After implementing the recommendations, the manufacturer soon reported that the mixer was performing better than it ever had. The company saved downtime cost of $216,000 per failure, for an annual savings of $432,000.